When I walk into the room that my Nest thermostat is in, it pulls up an analog clock. You have actually a few different options. It could show you the current temperature in the room, show you a digital clock, and now I'm going to show you how to set this up. Click on your Nest thermostat until you get to the main menu. Then select the settings icon at the bottom here and scroll to the right until you see display. There we go. Now we have an option here called Farsight. Go ahead and click on that. And Farsight means when you're about 8 to 10 feet away, the motion sensor will turn on the screen and will show you any one of these things: the target temperature, the current temperature in the room, an analog or digital clock, or even the weather. You can also disable this. So you could turn off Farsight by clicking Don't Use Farsight. So you have two options here. One is Wake on Approach, which means you're closer, you're about 3 feet away, it'll turn the screen on. The other one is Wake on Press. So your Nest thermostat screen will not turn on unless you actually click on it, and then it'll show you the regular screen. So I'm going to change mine right now to current temp of the room. Then I'm going to click Done, and then go all the way out to the left and select your screen. Now, at first you won't see the new look because you're already standing next to it, so it goes to its regular mode. But as you leave the room and then come back the next time, it'll show you whatever you set Farsight to. This is one of my favorite features of the Nest that not a lot of people know about.